One of the many main concerns among customers when they invest for the viscosity control system is the maintenance. So for FASNACTH, because there is no any mechanical part and it relies on this simple vibrating rod sensor, okay, very simple vibrating rod sensor, there is virtually no maintenance required. Yeah, really no maintenance required. There is no wear and tear. There is no moving part. There is no any mechanical part to replace, to service. Yeah, all that is required is a periodic cleaning with a piece of rag or cloth or whatever. Yeah, just wipe it gently. Yeah, in case of any hardened ink on the surface, just get a piece of rag, soak it with solvent, and then just clean it. After cleaning it, then put it back into the canister. And then, see, this canister, it's just a canister for the ink or coating or adhesive or whatever to allow it to circulate. Yeah. Okay. Just be careful not to damage the sensor, because it is a very high accuracy vibrating rod sensor. So be careful when opening it and for cleaning. So when you put it back, there is a C-clamp, a C-clamp. Just clamp it back, like so. And it is completed.